If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Facebook login page and enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a device that you have previously logged in from, as this may simplify the process. Step 2. Go to Security Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. From the left-hand menu, choose Security and Login. Step 3. Manage two-factor authentication. In the Security and Login section, look for the two-factor authentication option. Click on Edit next to it to manage your current settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. If you want to reset it, you may need to disable the current two-factor authentication. Click on Turn Off and follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. After disabling, you can set up two-factor authentication again by clicking on Use two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions to choose your preferred method: text message, authentication app, etc., and complete the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Facebook. Remember to keep your security settings updated to protect your account.